We're going to go over setting up your Velo holster with the T1 clips. It comes with the Mod 1 kit and also a Mod 2 kit if you order the T1 option. We'll go ahead and install the Mod 2 kit first. It comes with 2 square nuts and 2 1/4-inch screws. Go ahead and take the square nut and then insert it into the blocking. It should be captured there and won't move around. Place your clip on top, place your screw in there, and then go ahead and start to tighten that down. You don't want to tighten it all the way. And now it should be in place. I'll take my second square nut, slide that in there, my other screw, and go ahead and insert that. And then from there, I can line this up with the pencil mark we made when we originally fit the holster to us. And I can tighten this down. So if you're just going to run a single clip, you're done. But if you want to run 2 clips, or if you're going to run only the rear clip, we'll go ahead and install that next. The holster initially comes fit from the factory for your gun. If you're going to install the Mod 1 kit over the retention points, you'll need to remove the post and screw here. So I'll do that. I'll loosen it most of the way, and then I'll push on it to push the post out. So I got both 3/8-inch screws out. I can then remove the 1/4-inch posts. Once I have the 1/4-inch posts out, I'm going to leave those buffers in, take my 1/2-inch post and slide it in. Take my other 1/2-inch posts and slide it in. And then I want to make sure that they actually come out the opposite side. They shouldn't be flush, they should be sticking out the other side of the holster. I'll then take my other T1 clip, I'll put both screws in. The hard nylon spacers will go on, and I'll capture all of that and then essentially place that onto the holster. And then I will start each screw separately. Start one and then the other. Initially you might find them hard to screw on because the nylon spacer does not fit easily onto the post. But as you apply more pressure, it'll press fit itself onto the post and there won't be any issues. So we'll go ahead, actually we'll loosen this a little bit to ensure that that's matched up with the other clip. And if it's matched up with the other clip, we'll go ahead and tighten, snug it down a little bit so it's in place. And then from there, we can tighten it down to get the desired retention level that we want. And what I do to keep these from spinning, you can certainly use a flat-bladed screwdriver on the back, but I find that just fingertip pressure on the rear is enough to keep those from spinning. So we'll go ahead and dial it in. I want those nice and even. I can test fit that, and that right there is pretty good. So now I have my Tenicor VELO set up with dual T1 clips.